Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this ZTE. First of all, you need to access Settings and scroll down. Now tap on Privacy section under Location and choose Permission Manager over here. Then you need to click on one of your device's features, like Location, and select an app, like Browser. Then click on one of those options, Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. I will go with Allow all the time, so I have to tap on it and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my device's browser just gained access to this device's location. But you can always pick any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage all permissions for my Chrome. Then you need to click on See all Chrome permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!